Hey, so I just got to California. I'm at the Solage Resort and my room is amazing, so I thought I would Facebook Live it for you guys. It's super windy outside, but I'm going to turn the camera around and walk y'all through it. Every room is separate. So I'm in my own little cabin. And so you can kind of see there's other cabins. And each room comes with a bicycle or two for you to use around the property or bicycle into town. So this is the bedroom. I've got my own private patio out here. Got a desk. You can order room service on the iPad there. And then they've got kind of a bar area set up here with an espresso, a kettle, everything you need to make coffee and tea. They do have a complimentary, this is included in your stay. He said everything in the mini bar, it's all non-alcoholic. And then here's the bathroom. You've got a separate area for that. You got a huge bathtub. And here's the, let's see what kind of products. Oh, it's their own products. They have their own products. That's nice. And then here's the walk-in shower. Oh, and here's the closet. They bring you to your room in a golf cart. Somehow they got my luggage over here while I checked in. I checked in super fast because I'm here with Honda. And they had everything ready, so. Anyway, it's a gorgeous room, so. Hope everyone's having an awesome Monday.